just erupted. I knew that would happen.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey there, it's Jeff and welcome back. This is the 9th video in our summer 2021 series, and this time we're heading to Yellowstone Park. This video is special because we meet up with some old friends and we all stay at the KOA at Yellowstone West.
But yet we're in Yellowstone National Park.
Wyoming right now. Old geyser, Old Faithful. It's maybe gonna go. Maybe. It's so close.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
3 hours later.
Roll for main engine start. 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start.
Wait. Hi. Waiting for Old Faithful.
Oh my god! Wow! Look, it's so high! It just erupted. I knew that would happen.
Who's having the most fun? Oh, I don't know about that. Who's having the most fun? Ugh. If only we had smell-o-vision. Oh, buffalo. I think it smells like hard-boiled eggs out here. Right? See? What do you think it smells like?
Eggs.
That's so cool.
It's a good one, eh?
Here we are at Ariel's Grotto Geyser.
Did you feel it? Look at me. Thank you.
That's cool, huh? What geyser name is this?
It's called what the baby wants. And baby wants a balloon.
Cool. Guys, what geyser is this?
Castle geyser.
Castle geyser. Is it gonna go off?
What do you think? Are we going to a lake to eat? Oh, guys, down in the top.
What are you guys doing?
We're making an island.
You're making an island? Are you helping?
Yeah, I'm helping.
Wow. Good job, teamwork.
Look at that beauty.
Oh, me?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
What's going on in here? You're having too much fun. You're on video. You better be on your best behavior.
Well,
Who's being on their best behavior? Raise your hand.
you're being on
One hand? Oh my. Look at Andrea.
So it's raining really hard.
We're stuck here.
We're just gonna hang out in the truck. How you doing?
Hanging out in the truck, man. There's a lot of room in here, man.
Hey girls, say hey. Don't bite your nose.
Just so much water for her. I'm gonna go right up there. I can get you. Giant.
It's giant.
It's moving so fast. I want to go down. Later.
Everybody strapped in? Are you ready for this adventure?
Not me, though.
Look at it's right there. It's right there. This is the best trail.
We have to go to the forest to get past
I don't know. Keep going.
red.
Look at that. What is that? Well, we had a blast. Yellowstone is definitely a huge national park, so make sure you have a map and plan ahead. Oh, and before you go, let us know what your favorite part of Yellowstone was. Put something in the comments, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. We got more videos to come, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.